AI usually gets a bad rap, but that's because people are using it the wrong way. But when you use AI to work with you, not for you, it can actually amplify your content creation in a way that boosts impressions and drives sales like you've never seen before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. And today, I'm talking to you about how to make Pinterest pins using AI, including how Pinterest is already using AI on the platform, our top tools to make Pinterest pins with AI, and a complete walkthrough of our simple pin creation workflow, plus where we use AI to speed up the process. Pinterest has already adopted AI across the platform, things like AI-powered visual search, auto collages for product catalogs, and trend forecasting tools. So yes, they're allowing AI content. However, when they say they want AI, they don't mean low quality, messy pins. They mean high quality, helpful, well-designed content that people actually want to click. So today, I'm walking you through a super simple workflow using our favorite AI tool, Pin Generator, to create Pinterest pins that convert. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future Pinterest marketing videos. Let's get into it. How to make pins using AI. If you're looking for the best way to make Pinterest pins using AI, my favorite tool is Pin Generator. The reason is it uses AI to create content from your existing blog, online shop, or website. Paste in a URL and it scans the page, pulls your titles, descriptions, images, and alt text, and turns them into high-performing Pinterest pins in seconds. Using a tool like this takes what you've already done and formats it the right way for Pinterest, making something good even better. Let me show you exactly how it works. We're going to put in a website like Ollie and the Captain, then click Generate My Pins, and instantly you'll see 12 pins appear. At first glance, you might not love every template, but don't worry, you can quickly and easily change them. There are hundreds of templates to choose from. You can favorite the ones you like, make your own, or even import your favorite Canva templates too. We've got videos showing exactly how to edit and import templates, and I'll include those links in the description below. So from here, you'll select your favorite templates, add your brand colors, fonts, and anything else that makes your brand unique. Your logo, your style, all of it. Those choices automatically apply to your future pins, so it's basically set it and forget it. When we talk about how to make pins using AI, this is it. Using smart tools to work with your existing content and make it Pinterest ready. Instead of spending 5, 10, 20 minutes per pin, you can now make a dozen pins or more in just a few seconds. Other ways to use AI. We can take pin creation one step further. When you click the Edit Pin button, you'll see options to use AI to rewrite your titles or description. And in the left-hand menu, there's also a feature to generate AI text and images too. If you're creating new text, you can even set the tone of voice and adjust the style to match your brand. It's a really cool feature that makes it easy to create fresh, branded content in minutes. My favorite way to use AI. That's all on an individual basis, but my favorite feature is using AI to automate the entire process. When you find a pin you like, hover over this little button and it will say Auto Pin. When you click it, Pin Generator uses AI to scan that pin and create more just like it. Same style, similar titles, and descriptions too. From there, you can schedule them automatically. Set the frequency, maybe one per day, one per week, whatever works for your posting schedule. Choose your boards, pick your dates, and let AI do the rest. That's how to make pins using AI at scale. Fast, consistent, and hands-off. So whether you're using AI to pull information from your website and turn it into a batch of fresh pins, to recreate and repurpose your automated pins, or to generate brand new ones for the future, there are so many ways to make pins using AI. These are just 3 of my favorites. If you like this video and want to give it a go, Pin Generator is completely free to try. You can drop in your website or shop link and play around with how it works. I'll leave the link for Pin Generator in the description below. And if you're interested in learning more about how to scale your content marketing even further, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because next week I'm showing you how to do it across multiple platforms. It's a game changer. I'm Max and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.